Hello, and welcome back. This is English for Beginners. I'm Mark, and I'm glad you're here today. In this episode, we will practice three very important words: yes, no, maybe. These words are small, but very powerful. Let's begin. Today's word is maybe. Maybe means I'm not sure. Maybe I will go. Maybe later. Now repeat after me. Maybe. Maybe I will go. Maybe later. Good. Listen and repeat. Yes. No. Maybe. Yes, I do. No, I don't. Maybe later. Yes, please. No, thank you. Maybe tomorrow. Good job. Take your time. Here is your beginner tip for today. It's okay to pause. You don't need to answer fast. In English, you can say maybe or maybe. This gives you time to think. Slow is okay. Clear is better than fast. Now, say this with me. I can answer in English. Again. I can answer in English. One more time. I can answer in English. Great work today. You learned how to say yes, no, and maybe. Simple words, strong communication. Listen again, repeat again. You are improving every day. See you in the next episode.